Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily hide pictures on your iPhone's photos gallery. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Photos app. Then you can right here at your photos hit add select, and then just pick some photos in that way that you want to hide. Once you've selected all the photos that you want to hide, just hit right here at three dots icon, and here you can easily find that hide feature. You can tap on that, and now it says that these photos will be hidden but can be found in the hidden album. You can choose to show or hide the hidden album in settings. So I'm just gonna hit at hide 5 photos. As you can see, those photos has just been hidden, and then you can easily find that photos at your albums. Just tap at albums and then scroll down to the very bottom where you can find that hidden album. You can tap on that to open it up. It asks you to use Face ID, or you can enter a passcode, and right here you can find all your hidden photos. Also, you can hide even this hidden option from here. So let's hop out photos for now and open up settings. On settings, scroll down until you find the photos, and there you can find, I don't see that option. Oh, here it is, show hidden album. You can toggle this feature off to hide showing hidden album at your photos. Now you can move on to the photos, and at albums you are not able to get into hidden album anymore. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.